Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stream games on TikTok using PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you would need to install the TikTok Live Studio. So open up your favorite browser and just type down TikTok Live Studio. Okay, hit on enter, click on the ones from TikTok right here. And then at the top, you should be able to see a download page or right here. So just download it. And once downloaded, open up the installer. Just follow the simple prompts. Okay. So I'm not going to do it again because I already have it. So I'm just going to double click on it just for you to see. And as you can see here, I already have a game opened, okay, which is Roblox. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and minimize this one and wait for TikTok Live right here. So just tap on Go Live, or if this is your first time, it will ask you to log in. So just basically log in. And by the way, before we continue, verify that your age is at least 16, okay, for some countries, or 18 years old. Again, confirm your age if it's 16 or 18 years plus, because if you're below that, okay, you won't be able to go live. Also, your follower count. If you are just gaming or you are a gaming content creator, at least 1,000 followers, okay, are required. And if you are not a gaming content creator, at least maybe 10,000 followers are needed, okay? So you can just go ahead and check it out right here if you can go live while you're good, okay? So going back in here, go ahead over to sources, okay? And by the way, you can select from one of these options right here if you would just want to go live portrait or landscape, select it, okay? Sources, find the game capture, okay? You'll have the game capture right here. If not, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one just for you to see. Now it's deleted. Just click on the plus sign to add a source and tap on game capture, okay? Double click on it and just click on, select a game, click on the drop down and open up your already opened game. Now, once that's done, click on compatible mode and then click on add source. Or if it doesn't work, okay, you can try disabling compatible mode, select the game, hit on apply. If that still won't work again, just reopen the game itself, okay? Or as you can see here, it just needs refreshing, okay? So right click on it and then under full screen, stretch to screen. All right. And then once that's done, just configure a microphone right here. Click on the audio mixer, add in the correct microphone right here. And then just click on save. Once done, all you got to do next is just click on go live. All right. And after that, enjoy your game. You'll be able to see all of your live chat right here, all your performance, your gifts, okay? And add in as many tools or sources if you want. All right. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.